A desktop PC socket. A desktop PC socket is a CPU socket type used in personal computers. A sampling of sockets. A sampling of sockets is a selection of commonly used desktop CPU sockets. A processor family. A processor family is a group of CPUs designed for a specific socket type. Intel and AMD sockets. Intel and AMD sockets are socket types designed exclusively for Intel or AMD processors. A motherboard replacement. A motherboard replacement is the process of changing a motherboard while ensuring compatibility with the processor. A CPU replacement. A CPU replacement is the act of installing a new processor in a compatible motherboard. A CPU socket table. A CPU socket table is a reference that lists common CPU and socket compatibility. Server and laptop sockets. Server and laptop sockets are specialized CPU sockets different from desktop sockets.